This one is a prawn samosa and this one is a chicken cheese samosa. Pur is a chai lover, so I think we should believe her when she says that. Hi, my name is Tanvi Dikshit. Welcome back to my channel. It's no surprise where I am right now. I'm on MG Road in Pune. And I'm of course here to try some food as always, but no, don't be mistaken by the background. Today I'm not going to go to different restaurants here, but I'm going to hit the streets and try out the best and the most popular street food that MG Road has to offer and give my honest opinion on whether I like it or not. So if you're in the mood to relive your childhood days and go into a little bit of nostalgia, then you have to stop by at this tiny little store called the Pune Zartosti Seva Mandal. Now this shop actually serves you all of your old school bites that I promise you've had when you were in school. You know, your butter chicken roll, your patti samosas, your chicken sandwich. There's like a bunch of things. There's your veg puff, there's chicken puff, there is keema puffs, there's Punjabi samosa, chicken sandwich, chicken roll. It's endless. Let's go and see. And all of these are so affordably priced. Like it's just 30 rupees or 45 rupees max. It's insane.
Been like coming here for 20 years plus and it's just the same.
When you're trying out street food on MG Road, you cannot possibly miss out on trying out Akhtar Samosa, the most popular samosa place on MG Road, and for a reason. So they also make veg samosas, but they're known for their chicken and prawn and beef samosa. So yeah, basically heavy on non-veg. So if you enjoy trying out non-veg samosas, Akhtar Samosa is the place to be. I have called for their two best sellers. This one is a prawn samosa and this one is a chicken cheese samosa. Let me try it out. We're starting with the chicken cheese. Freshly fried, like it's so freshly made. I'm impressed. It's like super cheesy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Perfect. They also recommended that I should try out their chicken cheese tikka, but sadly the tikka is not available right now. So I'm just making do with the chicken cheese one. But whenever you come here, try their chicken cheese tikka as well. Next up, prawn samosa. I love prawns, so I'm already pretty sure I'm going to enjoy this one. This is a winner. Absolute winner. This is so delicious. The prawns inside are perfectly cooked, spiced, crust is on point, everything is on point, and these samosas are priced at just ₹60. Must stop. Big 2 thumbs up. I literally just stuffed my face at Akhtar Samosa, and then I realized that right next to it is this shop called Murlidhar Bhel Puri Center, which is apparently really famous for their Bhel Puri. So let's try it out. I have no idea how much I'm going to eat today. I have my bhel puri and it looks really delicious. For me, the hallmark of a good bhel is someone who adds kachi kari on top, which is my ultimate favorite ingredient. And he's given me a generous helping of kachi kari on top. There's like bundi, there's sev, there's a bunch of things that have gone into it. He also put generous amounts of a green chili thecha, which I'm really excited about. I love spicy food, so I think it's going to be great. Well, the ingredients are really fresh. I love the kachi kari. The imli ka pani is a little too meetha for my taste, but I think the spice is kind of nicely balancing it out. I paid only ₹70 for this. Not a bad deal at all. Okay, so all across MG Road, you'll find like local sellers selling seasonal fresh produce like fruits. And since it's summer right now, almost end of summer monsoons really, but yeah, I found my absolute favorite curry sprinkled with some chili and salt, which is amazing. She's given me 5 pieces for 50 rupees. Okay, best thing ever. All across the street, you'll find stalls selling you like star fruits and these tiny berries and guavas. And the best way, if you're street shopping, just grab a few slices and just walk around while you munch on them. I'm gonna do the same. I have been eating way too much today and I am in desperate need of some chai or coffee. So I decided to come to one of the OG Irani restaurants on MG Road, Kohinoor of course. It is well known for its chai, bun maska, broon, omelets, keema and so much more. Abhi to I am just in mood for some chai. So let's go, and the weather is perfect. As you can see, it has already started to drizzle. So let's go and have some tea and see if it's actually worth it. I haven't had this chai for a while, for many years actually. So let's see if it's still that good.
Even if it's milky, it's still like a little kadak and strong, perfect for this weather.
And Nupur is a chai lover, so I think we should believe her when she says that. Chalo, now I'm going to taste. So we have asked for their kadak chai. This cost us 30 rupees for a cup and it's good enough quantity. We are actually sharing this. Oh, the chai is actually nice. It's actually kadak. It has sugar. It is on the sweeter side, but it's not too sweet. And the best thing is, it is watery, just the way I like it. I don't like chai which is too milky. So ये perfect watery है. Jesse, I think it's a great quick cup of chai to have when you're walking around on MG Road. This gets a thumbs up. So I'm in the lane opposite Kumar Plaza right now and I stumbled upon a very interesting item that I did not expect to honestly find on MG Road. Behind me you can see Mahalakshmi Khaman Dokla Center, and I was reading up online and a lot of articles suggested that they make the best Khaman Dokla in town. So we have to try it. Have to. Come. Alright, so I got myself a plate of their famous Khaman Dokla. It looks delicious. It costs 60 rupees. Not bad, because there's a lot of Khaman in one plate. So he basically cut up the Khaman Dokla, put two types of chutneys. There was one green chutney, which is I think chili and coriander. There was one red color chutney, which I think is like the meaty chutney with imli. And then he put save on top, and then he put coriander and shredded coconut. Cheers. Oh, the Khaman is tasty. The texture of the Khaman Dokla is so nice. It was very, very tasty. Although, I think I made a mistake. He put too much of the red chutney in it. Without that, I would have really enjoyed it. The red chutney is kind of like overpowering the Khaman's taste. So if you're eating it, just put the green chutney a little bit and avoid the red chutney if you can. But other than that, it's amazing. Very tasty, perfect for a quick snack. Thumbs up. I have had so much fun exploring the street food on MG Road today, and I had to end this video on a sweet note. So I have come to the OG mithai shop of MG Road, Karachi Sweets, and I asked them what their best seller is. So they recommended I try out their Sev Barfi. It's a very unique taste. This is the first time I'm trying out Sev Barfi. You can taste the Sev, but it's also like really gooey and it's topped up with like pistachios and almonds, rose petals even, I think. Great way to end my street food haul across MG Road. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back in the next one. Until then, don't forget, subscribe.